This is day 6. Good morning, Ruby, with her little puppies. And you can see that they are absolutely huge now. And they're wriggling around, trying to find mummy. This little one is a little girl. She was a firstborn. Her name is Vegas. And she is almost double her birth weight. They were born in the early hours of Sunday morning. And where are you going? This one is called Venny. Venny is a little boy. And there's some more over here. Can you see them? They're very cute. This one is very squeaky. I think this is Verdi. Verdi's very squeaky. And when they were born, they were about between 456 grams, the lightest, to 508 grams, the heaviest. Vader was the heaviest, with Vegas not far behind. And now they are 725 grams. So I reckon by the end of today, or maybe even tomorrow morning, they will be almost double their birth weight. And I'm making this little video because it seems that when I do videos to share wisdom, knowledge to you, with you, you like it, but not as much as these puppies. So I can see who's the star of the show. These little ones. Hello, Ruby. And this very clever mummy. She's getting a little bit bored of staying here cooped up with these pups. So yesterday she was trying to break free and running out into the garden. There's a little one down here. Which I don't blame her, because nobody wants to be cooped up all the time. But they're so cute and they're so lovely. So I thought I'd share them with you this morning. Have a good Friday. Who's that one? Hello, sweetie pie. You cheeky little one, aren't you? Eh? You just want your mummy, don't you? Of course you do. Right, she's off. Look, she wants to escape. There you go. Off she goes. I'm going to take her for a little walk. Have a happy Friday.